welcome back to another super special vlog. This is part 2 of my Bali vlog, and this is gonna be me and my mom, and today is day 1 of vlog number 2, which is essentially day 4, I don't know, and I don't care because we're just here to chill. हम लोग कोई टूरिस्टी चीज़ें नहीं करने वाले, बस एक चीज़ करेंगे, which is the Tanalot temple, which we missed in the past few days, so we're planning to do that tomorrow. But besides that, right now mom and I are going out. We checked into an Airbnb. I will show you a room tour super soon, and we are going to the flea market, and then we'll go to a beach, and then for dinner we're going to Motel Mexicola, which is super popular. It's almost like a club plus a Mexican restaurant, and I am so excited to eat the fish tacos. Let's go. I'm gonna show you my outfit, and then we're gonna do a room tour, and then we'll leave. This is my outfit. I bought this bag from Bali. It was for 1 lakh IDR, which is about 500. So Bali appropriate, and it's freshly made. Like, you know, this straw or whatever material they've used, you can actually still smell it. That's how freshly handmade it is. And just my Crockies. Feeling the Barbie vibes today. I'm probably just gonna tie my hair because Bali का weather ऐसा तो है नहीं कि बाल ज़्यादा देर खुले छोड़ सको. But my hair was looking cute like this, but अभी तो वैसे भी बांध लूँगी. So let's go do some shopping and eat some good food. Hello, this is voiceover Anya, and this is our Airbnb tour. तो हमारा Airbnb का location was phenomenal because it was just a 5 to 7 minute walk away from the main Seminyak area. बाहर एक beautiful सा lawn था, and then there was this amazing pool with pool beds and umbrellas and everything, and the pool was cleaned every single day. साथ में एक छोटा सा kitchenette भी था on the other corner, जहाँ पे सारे basic utensils, stove, refrigerator and 24/7 free filtered water to drink भी available था. This was the room, beautiful minimalist aesthetic. They also had a TV. They had like a dresser area where you could keep like your stuff, and the washroom was super clean. They had like basic shampoo, towels, everything available. Our Airbnb host was also really sweet. I'll link it down below in the description if you want to check it out. मेरे लास्ट 2-3 दिन का एजेंडा इन बाली was to just spend time in cute little cafes and eateries, drink lots of coffee and eat a whole lot of good food. And one of the cafes that I had found was Timu Coffee House. So this cafe is like एक गली में अंदर जाके है, but if you use Google Maps, you're gonna be able to find it super easily. My vegetarian mother is ogling at non-vegetarian food and like French toast because it looks so good. FYI, most cafes in Bali have a whole lot of vegetarian and vegan options. In fact, even ये grilled cheese sandwich vegan था. So if you're a vegetarian traveling to Bali, खाने की तो कोई problem definitely नहीं होने वाली है. Oh my god, Motel Mexicola was in the top of my wish list when I was going to Bali because I've seen so many videos of people just like having the best time here. It's a Mexican restaurant. They serve shots, drinks, beers, everything. And अगर आपका birthday है और आप Motel Mexicola में celebrate कर रहे हो, they're gonna create this whole fire situation with bottles on top of bottles on your table, and then they're gonna make you drink out of this glass that's on fire. It was so cool. And my mom had a jackfruit taco, vegan खाना. So jackfruit is कटहल जैकफ्रूट इज कटहल. तो कटहल इतना अच्छा लग रहा था टाको में, एंड आई हैड अ फिश टाको. ऑब्वियसली इट टेस्टेड अमेजिंग, एंड आई जस्ट हैड लाइक अ रियली गुड टाइम. अब अगली बारी बाली आऊँगी तो फ्रेंड्स के साथ आऊँगी, और यहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली जाऊँगी.
Say a bad thing about you. It was hanging me out to the vultures. I ain't fucking with you, girl. You saved my life.
Another cool coffee shop that I wanted to visit in Bali was Expat Coffee. Loved the name. They had a lot of fresh bakeries available क्योंकि हम लोग काफ़ी सुबह गए थे because we were on our way to Tanalot temple. So I got their iced americano and their banana bread with espresso butter, which was chef's kiss.
I try to make her stay with me, yeah. But she's falling fast asleep. I wanna be a passenger on the ride, so I won't be all alone. I can't be all alone. I won't be all alone. It must mean all alone.
if you're going to Bali, I don't care if you're a religious person or not, but you have to visit Tanah temple. एक तो the pani was so beautiful, it was so blue, just the sound of the waves was so soothing. And हम लोग गए थे जब तो थोड़ा ना मौसम ख़राब हो रहा था, तो हाई टाइड हो रहा था. बेसिकली टाना टेम्पल में सामने जो केव्स है वहाँ पे चल के जाना होता है पानी को थोड़ा सा क्रॉस करके. एंड यूजुअली पानी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, बट द टाइम वी वेंट एट द वेदर वाज गेटिंग अ लिटिल feisty एंड द वाटर लाइक इट वाज इन हाई टाइड. एंड हम लोग को फिर किसी पंडित जी टाइप ने असिस्ट किया जाने में, और इतना सारा पानी था एंड द वाटर वाज सो कोल्ड, बट इट वाज सो मच फन. आई रियली हैड लाइक एन अमेजिंग टाइम हियर जस्ट वॉचिंग द व्यूज. इट वाज फिनोमिनल.
Yeah, yeah. What am I waiting, my love? You ain't say me, that's not true. Am I waiting, my love? There's no need to feel so good. Yeah. What, you see me like that for real? You ain't my bed for real. That was all part the deal, yeah.
You like my
What?
You like my karate?
If you stand tall and show them, carry me on your shoulder. I'm a little
And just like that, it was time to eat again. And this time we went to Doppio Pink Cafe. ये भी मैंने कहीं से तो ढूंढ के निकाला था, and काफ़ी pink as you can tell. My mom ordered this vegan sandwich, which was basically just sourdough bread and patte. Wasn't great, pretty dry. I would not recommend. The fries were nice, coffee was great, but their waffles. You have to come here for the waffles. They were like these pink waffles. Lots of fruit, vanilla ice cream and a pink sauce. Love the waffles. वो भी vegan थे, so if you're a vegetarian, do not miss this.
am I waiting, my love? Say you ain't say me, that's not true. It's not, it's not. You're my baby, you're mine.
ये अमेजिंग waffles खाने के बाद मॉम एंड आई जस्ट वेंट बैक टू आवर एयरबीएनबी, रेस्टेड फॉर अ बिट, एंड शाम को हम लोग फिर से बाहर आ गए थे. एंड दिस टाइम वी वेंट टू रिवॉल्वर कॉफ़ी हाउस. इट वाज गिविंग लाइक स्पीक ईजी कॉफ़ी बार सिचुएशन, एंड वी ऑर्डर दिस फ्रोजन आइस क्रीम कॉफ़ी शेक थिंग एंड द कैरेट केक. बोथ आइटम्स 10 on 10 recommend. उसके बाद हम लोग चले गए एक स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग के लिए. वहाँ पे हमने कुछ शॉपिंग नहीं करी बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, मॉम एंड आई जस्ट नॉट लाइक रियली बिग शॉपर्स, बट दे हैड लाइक ड्रीम कैचर्स, क्लोथ्स, वेस्ट्स, jewelry, like bracelets, like even like designer bracelets के copies you get like Van Cleef and whatnot. सब कुछ था, and yeah, but we didn't end up buying anything.
Quiet life of desperation. I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. Just buy me a new condo in the same year, move back home. Guess 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born. Anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing. Satisfy your soul, but all the good stuff's bought and sold. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pass, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, I'ma have to live a little louder.
Time to go to the pool. My costume matches the doors. So cute.
Favorite joke. They got no options and I got hope. Breaking opens and I'm taking it slow. Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Are you just roll? Are you just roll? Are you just roll? Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna be me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pass, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation. I'ma have to live.
Good morning. It's our final day in Bali and we are going for a spa. This is going to be my first spa ever. मैंने आज तक लाइफ में कभी spa नहीं कराया and मेरा पहला spa होने वाला है बाली में. So let's see if this changes me into a spa girly. My voice sounds like this because I just woke up and we didn't shower. We are just getting ready to go for the spa. 10 minute दूर है यहाँ से. And then spa के बाद I have to pack because literally my room it's a mess. It's a mess. My suitcase is a mess. But yes, we are going to go, come back, pack, and then go for breakfast. This is what it's looking like early in the morning.
I can never say a bad thing about you. It was hanging me out to the vultures. I ain't fucking with you, girl, you saved my life. Was it you pierced my heart, a Cupid Apollo? That's a pill I can't seem to swallow. My other mans, I wish I
Time to say goodbye to the Airbnb. We still have a few hours to kill, so we're gonna go have a nice brunch at this vegan cafe and then maybe shop, go to the mall. I don't know. Let's see. Mommy, how do you feel? The vacation is coming to an end. I know, me too. Like, I wish life was like this 24/7, but then vacation की value नहीं रहेगी अगर life ही ऐसी रहेगी तो. But I'm gonna be back soon because I love Bali. And the vlog is not ending here. There's gonna be like more stuff. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna, I don't know, chill for a bit, and then I will probably end the vlog at the airport. So I will see you very soon.
I ain't fucking with you, girl, you saved my life. Was it you pierced my heart, a Cupid Apollo? That's a pill I can't seem to swallow. My other mans, I wish I could save your life. But I came close, I came close, I came close. I said I came close.
Our last meal in Bali was at the Kind Cafe, which is one of the most popular cafes in Bali, and ये भी काफी pink और aesthetic था. This is an entirely vegan cafe, so we ordered these loaded nachos with mock meat and this dragon fruit lemonade, which was really pretty and pink, but the taste was just like any average lemonade. उसके बाद on our way to the airport, I made a stop at McDonald's in Bali because I really wanted to try their McDonald's. I ordered like a hamburger and I ordered like this chocolate pie and another apple pie or something, which is like pizza McPuff but like sweet.
I can never say a bad thing about you. It was hanging me out to the vultures. I ain't fucking with you, girl, you saved my life. Was it you pierced my heart, a Cupid Apollo? That's a pill I can't seem to swallow. My other mans, I wish I could save your life. But I came close, I came close, I came close. I said I came close, I came close, I came close. I tried to make her stay with me, yeah. But she's falling fast.